Do you feel tired all the time, even after getting what should be enough sleep? Do simple daily tasks suddenly feel exhausting, like your energy has just disappeared? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Menopause fatigue is one of the most common and most frustrating symptoms women experience during this stage of life. And the worst part is, it's not just physical tiredness. It can affect your focus, your mood, your motivation, and even your confidence. But here's the important thing to understand. This is not laziness, and it's not something you're imagining. Your body is going through real hormonal changes that directly affect your energy levels. In this video, we'll explore why menopause makes you feel so tired and what you can do to boost your energy naturally and start feeling like yourself again. Let's start with what's happening inside your body. During menopause, estrogen and progesterone levels drop significantly. These hormones play a key role in regulating your energy, sleep, and mood. When they decrease, your body has to work harder to maintain balance. This hormonal shift can disrupt your sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep. Even if you spend enough hours in bed, the quality of your sleep may not be good. And poor sleep leads to constant fatigue during the day. Another major factor is stress. During menopause, your body becomes more sensitive to stress, and your cortisol levels may increase. High cortisol can leave you feeling drained, anxious, and overwhelmed. Over time, this creates a cycle where stress leads to fatigue, and fatigue makes it harder to manage stress. There's also the issue of blood sugar imbalance. Hormonal changes can affect how your body processes sugar, leading to energy crashes throughout the day. You might feel fine one moment and suddenly feel exhausted the next. And let's not forget nutrient deficiencies. As your body changes, it may require more nutrients like iron, magnesium, and vitamin B12 to maintain energy levels. Without enough of these, fatigue becomes even worse. Now that we understand the causes, let's talk about how to fix it. Number 1, improve your sleep quality. This is the foundation of your energy. Create a consistent sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime, as blue light can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. If night sweats are a problem, use lightweight bedding and breathable fabrics. Even small changes in your sleep environment can make a big difference in how rested you feel. Number 2, balance your diet for steady energy. Focus on whole foods that provide long-lasting energy. Include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in your meals. Avoid sugary snacks and refined carbs, as they can cause sudden energy crashes. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day can help keep your energy stable. And don't skip meals. This can make fatigue even worse. Number 3, stay hydrated. Dehydration is a hidden cause of fatigue that many people overlook. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and unfocused. Make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout the day. Number 4, move your body regularly. It may sound counterintuitive, but exercise actually increases your energy levels. Physical activity improves blood circulation, boosts mood, and helps regulate hormones. You don't need intense workouts. Even a 20-minute walk, light stretching, or yoga can help you feel more energized. The key is consistency. Number 5, manage stress effectively. Since stress plays a big role in fatigue, finding ways to relax is essential. Try deep breathing, meditation, or simply taking time for yourself each day. Even small moments of relaxation can help reset your nervous system and reduce overall fatigue. Number 6, consider key nutrients. Supporting your body with the right nutrients can improve your energy levels. Foods rich in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins are especially important. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins are great options. If you suspect a deficiency, it may be worth discussing supplements with a healthcare professional. Number 7, listen to your body. This is a time when your body needs more care, not less. If you feel tired, give yourself permission to rest without guilt. Pushing yourself too hard can make fatigue worse. At the same time, try to maintain a balance between rest and activity. Too much inactivity can also lower your energy levels. It's also important to shift your mindset. Instead of feeling frustrated or blaming yourself, recognize that your body is going through a natural transition. Treat yourself with patience and understanding. Menopause fatigue can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to control your life. By making small, consistent changes, you can gradually rebuild your energy and start feeling stronger and more in control. Remember, this is not the end of your energy. It's just a phase that requires a different approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm for more simple and practical menopause tips. And let me know in the comments, what time of day do you feel the most tired? You're not alone in this journey.